Hey guys, Michael here. So as you know, the M1 is not only a laser engraver, but it also can use a blade to cut material such as vinyl. So today I want to share with you making a sticker on the M1. I'm actually working on a little keychain for my daughter so she can attach it to her backpack. I have a blank here ready to go. I want to add a sticker on top of this. Let's show you how to make a sticker on the M1. These are the materials we're going to use today. We're going to use the cutting mat, blades, blade holder, vinyl, and some additional tools that are not necessarily needed but handy to have. A pair of scissors, a weeding tool, a pair of tweezers, and of course I have my keychain ready to go. First off, let's show you how to load the blade into the blade holder. xTool currently offers two different blades. You can use a 60-degree blade or a 45-degree blade. In my case, I'm going to use the 45. When you open the case, you'll see these protective covers covering the blade portion of the blade. Take this off and it exposes the blade. Hold it from the side, pick up your blade holder. If you push this bottom part up, slide that in there, it'll actually stick in there with a magnet and I can let go. Pushing this up allows you to grab the blade from the side so you don't cut yourself. With the blade inserted, let's put it into the M1. To insert the blade holder, all you do is slide it underneath the laser head. Be careful not to touch the blade to the base plate and don't cut yourself, and slide it up into the hole. Once you do that, the magnet will catch it and it'll stay in place. If this is the first time using the blade, or you're changing out an old blade with a new blade, make sure you use the calibration tool provided by xTool. Just check their website and follow the instructions. So now that we had the blade holder installed with a blade inside of it, I'm going to show you how to install the light grip mat onto the base plate. However, I'm going to pull the base plate out because it's easier to film it and show it to you this way than it is inside the M1. I have my base plate and my xTool light grip mat. Here's a little tip for you. Before you take off your protective films on your mat, put a little sticker on there. If you put the sticker on top of that film, you'll know how to put the film back on the mat, so you'll know which side actually goes against the mat and which side stays up to always keep it clean. So before you can do anything, you need to attach the mat to the base plate. You want to flip your mat over where there's no grid on there and take your protective film off. Put that off to the side. Flip your mat back over, and you see these white lines here? That's where you want to align it. It's okay if it covers the holes because we're not using the laser portion of the M1. Now that I have that in place, I'm going to keep the top protective film on here, put this inside the M1, and get ready to add my vinyl. All I have to do next is remove this other protective film. And insert the vinyl that I'm going to be used to make the sticker from. Make sure you pay attention to the alignment of where you're putting your vinyl. Make sure it lines up with the grid. With that in place, let's head on over to XCS and get our image ready to cut. Here we are in XCS for the stickers that I want to cut out. On the bottom two circles, I've already cut those out. I use those as a background on the keychain, so I've already cut those out and put them in place. So I just turned the M1 on and it captured a picture of the vinyl attached to the base plate. So I'm going to move my pumpkins over here on the top left. The circles I don't need. I can move those anywhere I want. I'm just going to leave them here on the screen. But I want to focus on the pumpkins. Again, make sure everything's set up right. It's set to blade cut. I have the material selected and I'm going to process it. I have the option of framing. I can hit start, press the button on the M1, and let the cutting begin. It's all finished up. On to the next step. Using my scissors, I'm going to cut out around the stickers. And then using my weeding tool, I'm going to carefully and slowly remove everything that's not a part of the sticker off of there to make it easier to pull the sticker and put it on my keychain. And there we have our stickers ready to go. The last thing I got to do is apply the stickers to my keychain here. As you can see, making a sticker with the M1 is really easy to do, and I think my daughter is going to love this keychain. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time.